how to create a strong post-divorce financial recovery plan. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. Divorce doesn't just end a marriage, it often resets your entire financial life. Whether you walked away with fewer assets than expected, are adjusting to a single income, or took on new expenses like spousal or child support, having a solid financial recovery plan is key. Let's talk about how to create a strong post-divorce financial recovery plan. First, start with a clear financial snapshot. Outline your monthly income, all expenses, debt obligations, and available savings. It's important to know exactly where you stand so you can make smart decisions going forward. From there, set short and long-term goals. That might include building an emergency fund, paying down high-interest debt, or saving for retirement. Next, create a realistic, sustainable budget that fits your new life. Prioritize essential expenses and reduce or pause discretionary spending. This isn't about deprivation, it's about stability. Automate payments and savings where possible so your plan stays on track without extra effort. We helped a client who felt overwhelmed after her divorce, left her with unexpected debt and lower monthly income. We guided her through creating a manageable plan, restructuring her payments, cutting unnecessary costs, and setting up automatic savings. Within a few months, she was financially stable and even started building her credit again. At Divorce661, we support more than just the legal side of divorce. We help our clients rebuild stronger with practical tools and guidance for long-term financial success. That includes post-divorce financial checklists, budgeting templates, and one-on-one strategy support. If you're ready to take control of your finances after divorce, visit Divorce661.com and schedule a free consultation. We'll help you build a personalized recovery plan so you can move forward with confidence and peace of mind.